The 2025 Ford Explorer ST all-wheel drive exudes sporty elegance with its bold front grille, LED headlights, and 21-inch aluminum wheels. Presented by Bell Ford, its aerodynamic design and athletic stance ensure it looks as dynamic as it performs. The available blackout trim package adds an extra layer of sophistication and edge to this versatile SUV. Equipped with a 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 engine delivering 400 horsepower, the Explorer ST all-wheel drive offers thrilling acceleration and robust towing capabilities. Its intelligent all-wheel drive and sport-tuned suspension provide precision handling and confident control, making every drive exhilarating. The Explorer's spacious second-row captain's chairs and an easily accessible third row accommodate up to 7 passengers in comfort. Premium materials and reclining seats ensure everyone enjoys the journey, with ample legroom and USB ports to keep passengers connected. The cabin is both refined and functional, featuring high-quality materials, ambient lighting, and ergonomic design. The leather-trimmed seats with contrast stitching highlight the sporty nature, while the expansive panoramic sunroof enhances the sense of openness and luxury. Ford's Sync 4A system powers the 12.3-inch touchscreen, providing seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 14-speaker B&O sound system delivers premium audio, while over-the-air updates keep the technology current. The 2025 Explorer ST comes loaded with Ford Copilot 360 technology, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Advanced safety systems like evasive steering assist and a 360-degree camera offer added confidence on the road. Hands-free liftgate access, wireless charging, and configurable cargo space make the Explorer ST ideal for busy lifestyles. The fold-flat second and third rows create generous room for hauling gear or luggage with ease. Blending performance, luxury, and advanced technology, the 2025 Ford Explorer ST all-wheel drive redefines what it means to drive an SUV. With its striking design, thrilling capabilities, and a host of comfort and safety features, it's perfectly engineered to elevate every journey. You can view our selection at bellford.com. Give us a call at 602-281-4080 or visit our showroom today.